Casting to your Samsung TV from your phone is pretty simple, and it doesn't really differ that much from any other TV manufacturer. So let's go over exactly how you can do it, starting off with how you can do it on any Android device. Now, while this might differ slightly depending on which flavor of Android you have specifically, the steps are usually pretty much the same. So the first thing you're going to do is swipe down, and then swipe down again until you see the Smart View feature. As you can see, it's at the very bottom there, so just simply tap on that. Then any compatible TVs are going to pop up. As you can see, our 65-inch Samsung OLED is right there, so you simply tap on that and it is going to begin. At that point, Smart View will be active and you'll be able to just simply show anything you have on your phone on the larger display. If you're using iPhone or an iPad instead, the process is pretty similar. Instead of swiping down, you want to swipe up until you see this menu right here, and then press on the screen mirror button. Then once again, a list of all available TVs will appear, so just tap on your Samsung TV, and that's pretty much it. Now, obviously, one of the most handy things to cast from your phone to your TV is YouTube, given how you do have to play around trying to search for things and type things out of your remote, and you get to do things like control the volume of the TV and cue other videos to play after the one that currently plays finishes. There's plenty of great reasons of why you want to control YouTube on your TV via your phone, and thankfully the process of casting that way is also very straightforward. So once you are in the YouTube app, simply just tap on the little cast icon in the top right, kind of like this, and then once again select your TV from the list at the bottom, and just like that, give it a couple of seconds to connect, and you're ready to go. Now, if you're doing any of those steps and you can't see your TV on the list, make sure it is connected up to internet, either via Ethernet and Wi-Fi, and that the connection is working. Also, if you just turned it on, just give it a couple of seconds. Usually it can take a while for it to be detected on your phone when you turn it on for the first time. If it's still not showing up, if you're using something like YouTube, just restart a YouTube app and see if that helps. But those are just the main ways that you can connect to your Samsung TV or pretty much any other TV using your smartphone. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.